honest, straightforward reviews. Today I am showing you guys how to run Flux on your Mac systems. So it's very easy to install. I've gone to this website over here where I do my most guides from, where I learn most of my guides from. So what you need to do is you need to download the Flux Dev FP8 checkpoint, which needs about 16 gigs. So there's three variants of them. So there's the full variant, which needs 24 gigs. I'm not going to even try running that on my M1 Max MacBook Pro. So I've got the higher end Max, which is 32 core GPU, and I'm going to run the 16 gig, which I've done previously. And then there's a really low end one which does image generation in about 4 steps. So these 20 steps takes me about 10 minutes ish, depending on my system load and things like that. So we select that here. However, you need to install everything. Now, if you don't know how to install Comfy UI on Mac, please let me know. There is a tutorial for it as well that's coming up. It should be up by the time this video is up. If it's not, it'll be up in another week or so. And also there is Swarm AI as well tutorial, and Automatic 11.11 as well on macOS. So let's get this started. So first of all, you need to download this safe tensor file. So after you've downloaded it, you need to put it into your models folder. I'm hoping that you guys know, and if you don't, you just go into your Comfy UI folder and you go into models, and then you should have checkpoints, and you put your checkpoints in here. Okay, so that's where you have your checkpoints. Now I'm using a method where I share my checkpoints with Automatic 11.11 because I don't want 2 sets of same checkpoints. So what I've done is I've actually linked it there. If you guys want to see a video on that, please do let me know. So put it in there. After you've put it in there, what you need to do is download this workflow or make it yourself. But to download it, you need to just click on the link in the description, and after you've downloaded everything, I need you to go into Manager. Now, if you don't have Manager, what you need to do is install Manager. If you want to again see a video on that, I can go through that and show you how to do that, but you need to update everything. So click update all, update Comfy UI, and install missing custom node. So all 3 of them, you need to click it and then restart this. After you've restarted it and loaded, so load this custom node. So that's what I'm calling this custom node. So after you've loaded this, made a prompt in here, you just need to queue it. And this will take forever to go through with this settings. So I'll just show you in the background what it's doing. It's basically loading it over here. So it's loaded that, and yeah. All right, guys, thank you for watching it to the end. It's very simple how to do it, but if you don't have Comfy UI, you haven't used Comfy UI, I know it can be daunting, but don't worry, I've got the videos out there. Please take your time having a look at them and comment below. If you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and share it with others. Take good care. Bye-bye.